Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hey guys, it's the vlog. So there's Stephanie and I paddleboarding. There's Andrea and Lynn.
Man, show the angles right. You okay?
Wait, what the fuck is she doing?
That's going crazy! Now she wanna put me in the party going crazy! And that's what we did!
He needs some milk!
Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Die.
Oh.
We're almost there. Angela's still in the back. She's still back there, guys.
Vlog. We're in the middle of nowhere. Angela can't figure a fucking zip log.
Zip vlog.
Hey! Angela's lost in the wilderness.
3 hours later.
You should. She'd be struggling.
Stop recording!
It's Lynn Takeover. I know this is typically Stephanie's channel.
Wait, say your last name. No one knows who you are.
Lynn wins.
Wait, who are you again?
No, everyone knows who I am already.
Wait, who are you again? I don't even know who this girl is.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
It is thundering. We went in the water, but then it thundered.
No shit, Sherlock.
Go.
Girl, this looks like Outer Banks, episode 11.
We don't know where Stephanie is. Like, we
No, because
we lost her.
lost in the woods.
MTV.
Hi, MTV.
Oh my god.
My name is Lynn Wynn, and welcome to my crib.
Hey, what's up? I'm Kim Kardashian, and welcome to my crib.
Hey guys, it's me, Lauren, the main character, of course. This is Stephanie, the volleyballer, tennis player.
To get sticks by myself, I almost died. I think
This is Lynn. See, the world does revolve around me. That's Lynn. She's the smart yet dumb person. This is Andrea, the Gemini. That's her only personality. She's a Gemini. That's all we have to say.
Oh. Okay.
You do.
Little girls are gonna look up to me.
Thanks.
Okay.
Look up so they won't be. Look up not to me. Look.
this is my marshmallow, guys.
Are you afraid of the fall?
Oh shit! Hey!
I like my men how I like my marshmallows. Hot and
Soggy.
This is one of my favorite shit! What is that? It is from Baby. Where is your album? 2, 1.
Awful.
It's bizarre.
My way, or the
guys, this is Billy in his natural habitat.
What's happening, bro? Come on, wake up.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to
like and subscribe to her channel because she's alright.
there.
There we are.